All right, good morning and good evening in case you didn't sleep. What do we have now, Keys? Well, continuing with the news updates, it is being reported that a bomb blast in Moscow, Russia has killed a top Russian general in charge of nuclear forces. All right, so it is unclear how this happened, how the general was cleared, but it looks like there is some kind of bomb exploding in Moscow, maybe internally, maybe accidentally, but we do know that Ukrainian forces have been operating from inside, as well as we've seen other killings happening in Russia. So we're gonna continue to follow up with this to more or less see exactly where this is coming from. But this kind of information is alarming because not everybody is in charge of nuclear forces and knowing how to operate any kind of nuclear missile or handle these kinds of activities. All right, more to come, guys. Stay tuned to the next one.